Another cyber attack on the U.S. has been linked to Chinese hackers. The New York Times reports that hackers in China broke into a government personnel database, apparently targeting tens of thousands of federal workers applying for top-level security clearances. With Target stores still reeling from that massive data breach last year, it's clear that cybercrime is a growing problem, and that means growing demand for the insurance that protects against it. Mary Thompson takes a look at the small but expanding market for cyber insurance.
In the city that never sleeps, one staffing company bought something it hopes will help its owners and clients sleep better.
Our clients were talking to us about it, they were asking us about it, and in order to prevent kind of being behind the eight ball, we felt like we wanted to be really proactive and go ahead and get the insurance because we knew it was something that was important to our clients, and then of course it was important to us as well.
The insurance Clarity's head of operations Elizabeth Wade is talking about cyber insurance. Clarity is one of a growing number of firms adding this layer of financial protection should their computers or those of their vendors or suppliers get hacked or hijacked by a computer virus.
Up until now, the growth has largely been driven by what I would describe as data-rich industries, so retail, higher ed, financial, even tech and telecom. But with the expansion of coverage, with the growing awareness, we're seeing other industries come into play that have never looked at cyber insurance before. Construction, power and utility, manufacturing.
Bob Parisi works for Marsh USA, an insurance broker owned by Marsh & McLennan. Parisi says Marsh's first half sales of cyber insurance this year are double those of 2013. Here's why a company would want cyber insurance. A study by McAfee puts the cost of cybercrime to the global economy at $445 billion a year. Cyber insurance would cover some of those costs, including business disruption, legal and crisis management costs, costs to investigate the breach, and the cost of notifying customers, which is mandatory in most states. New regulations are a factor behind the growing demand for cyber insurance, along with high-profile breaches like the one at Target. This helped to bring in new clients and prompted existing clients to buy added coverage. Cyber insurance is a fraction of the policies that have been sold here in the U.S. by the likes of AIG, Travelers, and Marsh. But it is a product Parisi says holds great promise.
There's nothing that indicates that the growth is going to be anything but increasing.
A market growing to protect against a growing problem. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Mary Thompson.